playing hiking. It looks like a fun game, so let's play it. Welcome to hiking. You've been exclusively chosen to explore the wonders of Mount Robloxia. Task at hand, don't lose sight of your fellow marchers alongside, staying right behind your tour guide. Good luck and have an amazing adventure that's yet to come. Nothing can go wrong. Trust Rez. That sounds a little bit like weird, like trust Rez. What if, like, I feel like Rez isn't like, we shouldn't trust Rez. So actually, some people look like they've played this because they say, don't, he's the killer, blah, blah, blah. Ooh. Welcome to hikers. Welcome, hikers. When you are ready, follow me up to the cabins. So I'm going to follow these people that were like telling me. Just going to follow them. Alright, this is the cabin that we will be going to tonight. We will be sleeping tonight. Let's go check it out. That mountain is steep. Why is it? Where are our beds and why is there so much dust and so many questions? Why is there a treasure chest? I'd like to chat with you guys and explain what. Oh, I missed it. Oops. This is probably the what? I can't read that. We are. Oh, I missed it. It may be scary as the death pole on Mount Robloxia has what? Spikes. As long as we stick together, it will be fine. Alright, which one of you was most excited? I'm not excited anymore because he just said like, there's like death traps and stuff. Who said I am? Oh, that girl. Oh boy, I don't mind. Great, love to hear that. Alright, let's get going. Why do these keep coming up? Make sure to stay close. I'm sorry, I just dropped something. It's very long. I'm running. It's like I'm running forever. If in real life, I wouldn't really like want to go to mountains and stuff like this because I would scared I'm gonna fall and break my break an elbow or something. Wow! Oh, I can't read that. Why? The girl said don't drink the water. This can be perfect for some water, even some to drink. Get some to drink, because you'll die. I do not want to die. No! I don't want to die. Guys, my stomach hurts. Which one is that? For a second I thought that was me. Oh no, someone poisoned one of our water cans. I forgot to read that. For a second I thought that was me. That sounds suspicious. Who would do such a thing? Ah, that sounds scary. Run back to the cabin. There's a timer? That's not fair. Well, it is a scary game, so. No, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did Rez just fall out of the roof? I don't know. I didn't see properly. Rez fell. He says Rez fell. Alright, since it's dark out, let's go to sleep. We can start our adventure tomorrow. Good morning, hikers. I'm not a hiker. I don't want to be a hiker. I'm scared of hiking for some reason. Now that we have a light, we have light. I keep missing them. Let's head over. Follow me. I'm not gonna follow you, Rez. I'm gonna follow these people because they seem to know where they're going, and you're way behind. So who am I gonna follow them? I feel like Rez is very slow because If we were to follow Rez, no one knew how to play this game like the first time. No. Whoops. Never mind. First time ever like playing this game that it got published. Wouldn't it be hard to follow Rez? Because I believe, and others are saying he's the killer, and he'll kill you. But he's very slow, and we're faster than him. So how is she walking backwards? I don't know. I'm going to try. That boy saying Rez is so slow. I just tried walking backwards and it didn't work. Why am I back out? Oh, Rez made us come back. Alright, this is the cave that we will explore today. This is the cave on Mount Bloxia. I said Boboxia. Let's head inside. We're already inside. I keep dropping stuff. Alright, let's go explore this tunnel to the right. Wait, to the right, yeah. This tunnel to the right. If I'm reading my map correctly, this is the correct way. Where's Rez? Oh, I was reading my map turned upside down. My map was turned upside down. Alright, follow me. Well, who is that? Is that Rez? He hasn't even come. Oh my god, he's not even here yet. Waiting for Rez, whistling. Wow, real lava. You think that's real lava? It is. Everyone, take some pictures. No, the monster has taken me. Oh no, the monster has taken me. Please save me. You have 20 seconds for one of you to get over here and save me. 19, 18, 17. I think I'm going to stay behind because they seem to know what they're doing. And that girl a lot of them are following. So, oh, they won. I was about to go, but they got us. Alright, we saved them. Let's get out of here now. We are coming. Rez, aren't you the monster? So how is the monster gonna get us if you're the monster? Logic. I don't know if he's a monster. I don't know. I've never played this before, so even if he is the monster, I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh no, we're trapped in here. I saw an opening back of the cave. Wait, how is that possible? We didn't see that before. Rez, this is the monster's room. My bed! She's standing in fire! Alright, if I'm reading my map correctly, is Rez not here yet? There should be a nice canvas there. He's triggering me. He's so slow. Rez, hurry up. It's one of these scary games. I hate how I don't know what they're called. Like the person that shows you around, they're so slow and it triggers me. Like we have to follow them if there's nobody knows how to play because they're so slow. Perfect, let's stay here for the night. See you all tomorrow. I am sleepy. It's morning already. Alright, good morning. Why are you so awake? I'm so sleepy. Why are they running off? We need to get out of here today. Oh no, what happened? That's me! me! No, the monster took Rez. I got a part. Alright guys, we need to get out of here in honor of Rez. Rest in peace forever, miss. This way, through the tape. I didn't read that. Whoops. Let's go, everyone. We're running. We're running. I can't see a thing. Now I can. Alright. It seems like we need to find the right thing. Right thing. I'm moving so slow. Great job, everyone. Wait, where is everyone? Oh, there they are. It's good that their name tags are up there so you can see if you're lost. According to Rez's map, there is an escape. We found an escape. Oh no, there's rain. This stuff is deadly. Let's get back to the cabin for safety. Sorry about the talking back there. My sister and my mum won't be quiet. The rain is killing my health. See, my health is going down. I'm going. Oh no, I'm in the water. That's the worst place. That's gonna bring my health down more. Because I'll be stuck in it. Help me! I'm stuck. No, never mind. I'm getting my health. My health. Help. Oh, I made it. Is it leaking? I think it's leaking. I think we can leave tomorrow morning. We can use the boat we came in. Good night, everyone. I don't want to be again. Is that red? What? Wait, good morning. He's a monster. How can you escape from a monster? I was able to fight off the monster and escape. No, that's a lie. Now follow me to the boat. I don't want to follow you. I'm scared of you. I think Rez knows like some sort of karate. Wait, why isn't it supposed to be morning? And why does it, or maybe it's early morning. I don't want to follow Rez. I'm scared of Rez because he knows some sort of karate if he got away from that monster, or he is the monster and he was faking it all. So I don't know, and he like poisoned the canteen and he killed us all, and I don't know what we did. It's pitch dark. Oh, it looks so pretty. Just gotta follow them. Everyone's jumping over. Do I jump over? No, I jumped out. No! Oh no. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.